Hey guys, this is Bird with Inside Outlined, and I just want to come and show you one of the latest updates to Cricut Design Space, which is being able to create a sticker with the click of a button. So first, what I'll do is go over to text and type my name, Bird, and then what I want to do is to change the color of my text. Just change it to white. And then right here, you will see create sticker. If you do not see this, then that means that your Cricut Design Space software is not up to date. To update your software, all you need to do is to go over to your profile, click on it, and then click settings. Down underneath about design space, you will see where it says check for updates. You will click on that. I have already updated my software, so whenever I click what's new, you will see that for the 8.15 release, there is the option or the ability to create stickers. This is for Cricut Access members, but you can still design it for free, but in order to actually apply it, you will need to subscribe to Cricut Design Space or subscribe to Cricut Access. Okay. So again, I type my name, I change the color of the text to white, and then right here, I'm just going to click sticker. So then I'm going to click check it out. And then you have two options. You have the die cut option, which cuts your sticker all the way through the paper. And then you also have the kiss cut, which basically leaves your sticker on the paper, but you can peel your sticker off of the paper. So I will start with the die cut. And then right here for border, I'm going to change it to thin, and you can see what the border looks like. I'll change it to standard, and then I will change it to wide, okay? And actually what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cancel out of this because you can't really see the color. I'm gonna change the color of the text to yellow so you can see really what's going on. So click create sticker, check it out. Die cut, again, cuts all the way through the paper. When you do kiss cut, it basically leaves the sticker on the paper, but you can peel the sticker off the paper. So you will have a full sheet of stickers and you just individually peel one sticker off whenever you need it. So I'm going to start with die cut, and um, right here for the border, I'm going to click thin, and you can see that thin white line around the yellow. Then I'll increase it to standard, and you can see that border getting thicker. Click wide, and then click custom. So for each one, you can see how wide the sticker is becoming. Obviously, if you scroll your dial to the right, it gets way larger. If you scroll it to the left, it gets smaller, or it gets less thicker. So I'll just click on standard, and then right here, you can change your border fill or that background color. So right now, the color white is selected. I'll click on the black and you can see what that looks like. If you click this plus sign, you can choose any color that you want. If you have a hex code, you can just go ahead and put that code in right there. And then I'm just going to click this back arrow and then click apply. So if you look over here now, it says that your design is a print and cut design. So then you would just move forward with making this. If you wanted to create duplicates of this so that you could put all of them on one sheet of paper, you could go about doing that as well. So then I'm going to click on text again and type inside. And I'm going to show you how to create the kiss cut. So again, you want to go up to create sticker, click on check it out, and then click kiss cut. Right now, my text is black, and I'm just going to leave it that way. For border, I'm going to click standard. You can see that white outlined. Let's say I wanted to change that border color to a different color. And you can see that process as well. So I'll click the back arrow, and you do have the option to change this into a die cut if you want to. So right now it's a kiss cut, but if you wanted to change it to a die cut, you would do that right here. So then you would click apply, and that's about it. It says this feature requires Cricut Access subscription. Start your free trial. So right now, if I were to click make, it's going to probably charge me. It says to start a free trial. It's asking me to start a free trial, but quite honestly, you could do this exact same thing using the offset tool. And I'll just show you really quickly. I'll type my name, Bird, change those colors to, or change the color of my text to yellow. Click the offset tool. I'm going to move this down so you can see it. Click the offset tool in the middle of the screen. And I'm just going to move that down over to the left a little bit and click apply. Going to change that color to a like a fuchsia pink, hot pink. Move this over. And yeah, okay. And right now I do need to, there's a little bitty sliver that's right there. If I don't remove that, my Cricut is going to try to cut that. So I'm just going to click the contour button, click on that sliver to get rid of it, and then click the X. And then all I would need to do is to select both of those layers, and you can see both of those layers selected right here, and then click flatten, okay? So basically, you know, the sticker function, it's helpful, it's very useful. It allows you to create a sticker within, you know, the click of a button. But quite honestly, I personally don't think that is any different than using the flatten tool. Right now I'm going to try it with a shape. So I'm going to come over to shape, and honestly, I'm going to click images, browse all images, and then click free. And I'm going to try to look for a shape. I'll just type in flower. I'll just click on this flower and then click add to canvas, and just bring it up on my screen so that you can see it. I'm gonna zoom out some, and I'm going to click on the create sticker, or before I do that, I want to change the color to this pink, and then click create sticker, check it out, click die cut, and then I'll click standard, and you can see that background. If I click custom, I can choose how thick I want that that offset basically to be. I could also change that offset color if I wanted to. Oops, I did not. Okay. Create sticker, check it out, die cut, standard. Then I'll change the color. I'll choose a blue. Okay, and then click the back arrow and then click apply. So now this is a sticker that you can cut. Again, you can do this exact same thing using the offset tool. So that is how you use the Cricut sticker or the create sticker tool in Cricut Design Space. Thanks for watching.